Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. Today's guide video is based on how to make your Instagram account private. Now before we get started, make sure that you've updated the Instagram application to the latest version and also make sure that you're well connected with the internet service. Now let us get started. So first of all, in order to make your account private, you have to open your Instagram application. So as you open your Instagram application, the interface looks something like this. Now on this following page, simply tap on your profile icon, which is right at the bottom on the right hand side corner. So next you have the profile page. So on this following page, simply tap on the try bar icon or the 3 dash icon, which is on the upper right corner, right in the corner. And as soon as you tap on it, down there you can see a pop-up window. Now from here you need to tap on the first option, that is settings. So now on the other page you have the info about settings, and under it you can see a list of different options. So from here you simply need to tap on the privacy option, which is on the third step. So as soon as you tap on privacy, on the other page you can see right on top on the first step there is account privacy, and under it you can see private account. Now in order to make it private account, all you have to do is simply tap on the button. And as soon as you tap on the button, down there you can see a statement. So go through the following statement carefully and then tap on switch to private, which is right at the bottom. Now here you can see that this following button has turned into blue, which indicates that your account has turned into a private account. And that is how you can make your account private on Instagram application. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.